My name is Dena Mueller, and I'm the owner of Approved Fire Pumps located here in Crowley, California. I would say across the team, Ember saves us as much as at least 4 hours a day. The time saving helps you make more money because you're not wasting time on doing something that you don't need to do. Now it probably takes us 15, 30 minutes to do everything. So that's from setup to reports to sending them out. Right when you do a report, it gives you a deficiency right before you even save it. And it generates a quotation for you. And you just put in the amounts that you need and send it off. So they get the invoice and the report within a 10-minute time span, when before it would be a couple of days before you would get the invoice. The scheduling is so much nicer. It takes 5 minutes in the morning to do a whole week's of scheduling when it used to take 3 or 4 hours. The techs definitely like it because they can see their whole schedule for the whole week and they know exactly where they're going to go. It's moved companies that are kind of not technically savvy into the technical age. I have a tech that he's not tech savvy at all and he loves it. Anybody can use it. Even non-tech savvy people can use it. Before Ember, you always had to be in the office. With the software is that you can log in anywhere. Even though you're not there and you're managing everything, as an owner, that's so much more valuable because of the fact that you don't have to be sitting here. It's going to make you look a lot more professional. It's going to give you the time that you need to go after more jobs. I don't care what it costs, do it. It's going to change your life where you can go home more and be with your family.